Lishonile mbukeli kepha-ke belingeke lashona ngaphandle kwetindzaba talo. Nati talo muhla tingelwimi leSiswati la ku-SABC asikubingelele mbukeli.
We are not going to the US on our own. We have been invited by President Trump.
Indvune ehhovisini lamengameli Khumbudzo Ntshavheni ithi ikhabhinethi ayikakhathateki ngelihambo lwamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa loluya eMelika evikini lelitako.
ANC Gauteng Provincial Task Team reaffirmed and committed itself to its mandate, which is as follows: to rebuild and renew the structures of the organization.
I-ANC eGauteng ithi ilungiselela lukhetfo labohulumende basemakhaya ngelinyawo lolusha.
It's very hard for anybody to focus at this stage with the news only breaking this morning.
Ayachubeka nekungena emaveni vuduvudo omhlaba wonke kulandzela kushona kwalo bekangumdlali wema-Springboks Cornal Hendricks. Indvune ehhovisini lamengameli Khumbudzo Ntshavheni ithi ikhabhinethi ayikakhathateki ngelihambo lwamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa loluya eMelika evikini lelitako. Ntshavheni utichithile tinsolo letithi mengameli laseMelika Donald Trump umema mengameli Ramaphosa kuyomhlambalata embi kwemhlaba.
Ivele iNingizimu Afrika ucizelele ukuthi akahambisani nalokukhoseliswa kwama-Afrikane lange-40 eMelika. Umbuso bewudzinga loludzaba lapho kuvele khona ukuthi lokucwalatshelwa ngako mengameli weMelika Donald Trump akunasisekelo futhi akuphatheki. Indvune ehhovisini lemengameli Khumbudzo Ntshavheni beketfula tiphumo temhlangano wembuso lebewubanjwe ekucaleni kwaleli viki.
The decision by the United States to confer refugee status to a group of Afrikaner South Africans is misinformed, as they do not fit the definition of refugees as set out in the 1951 Refugee Convention and its 1967 protocol.
Uthi uhulumende utibophelele kulungiseni linkinga ekusweleka kwemisebenzi kuleli.
5 of the 10 industries that were tracked by Stats SA recorded employment increases, particularly in transport and finance. However, most jobs were lost in the trade and construction sectors, and this is because of the holiday period as well. Cabinet remains committed to driving economic growth that creates jobs.
Lendvuna ithe leli alikakhathateki ngeluvakasho lwamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa lweMelika ayohlangana nemlingani wakhe Donald Trump. Ntshavheni uthi uthemba ukuthi lolu hambo lufike kahle kanti konke kuyohamba kahle. Lo hambo luta ngemva kwekuphambana kwalamavela amabili ngenhlalo ema-Afrikaneni kuleli. Ntshavheni utshaya ngenhlane ngeyaleti nsolo ukuthi mengameli Ramaphosa umenyelwe kuya eMelika kuyohlanjalo ata ngumlingani wakhe Donald Trump.
We are not going to the US on our own. We have been invited by President Trump. He is the one who made the public announcement that he is going to meet with us next week.
Melika leliviki lelitako.
I-ANC eGauteng ithi ilungiselela lukhetfo labohulumende basemakhaya ngelinyawo lolusha. Lokhu kuta ngemva kwekwehla kwelinani lebalandzeli balelicembu elikhethweni lwavelonke lwanyakenye. Lithimba lelisha lelibuke buholi kulesifundza lithi imiphumela yelukhetfo lwekuvala tikhala yakamuva ikhomba ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle. Lelicembu lahlangana ke nakucala lenyanga emhlanganweni welihotla kute uphemba indlela leyembili.
Seletinyanga letimbalwa ngaphambi kwekubuyela elikhethweni futhi i-ANC eGauteng ithi ayifuni kwenda liphutsa lekulahlekela ngolesifundza lesinothile. Leli qembu lithi litimesele kuvuselela lenhlangano ngekhathi nekuthembeka kwayo esiveni.
ANC Gauteng Provincial Task Team reaffirmed and committed itself to its mandate, which is as follows: to rebuild and renew the structures of the organization, conduct overall political education underpinned by the foundation course to be undertaken by the ANC, by each ANC branch, leveraging the capabilities of past leaders and activists, preparing and campaigning for the victory of the ANC in the forthcoming local government elections.
Lokhambe embili iqinisekisa ukuthi amagatsha asebenza kahle futhi akulungele kubambana ngomfa letako.
The conferences which are being prepared for its Ekurhuleni, Greater Johannesburg, Greater Tshwane, and Sidibeng. We're encouraging our members when they meet that they should reach consensus, at least on the issue of officials.
Umhlangano welihotla uphinze wagcile kulethweni kwetidzingo ncande nelizinga lekuphila leliphilwa eJozim.
we're not sitting on our laurels. We're not saying we've won these by-elections. It means then it's automatic, we'll win the rest. We invest a lot on polling and surveys. At the Lekgotla, we had an independent company that came to present their findings. So immediately after we have lost elections in the province, we're not waiting for the next elections. We appointed a company to say, go back to voters and ask them why they voted the way they voted. So
Lelicembu lelibuke kuvuselela kabusha lenhlangano kulesifundza selingena etinyangeni letilishumi laqala kwenda lo msebenzi wokuvuselela neqhuqhutela lubumbano ngaphambi kwelikhetfo labohulumende basemakhaya kulo mnyaka lotako.
Sikhulu lesisetulu kulabacilonga tidvumbu kwaZulu Natal Sibusiso Nsele sithi Chief Albert Luthuli amanganikedwe kwelashwa lebekumele akuthole kubodokotela lafikela kubo esibhedlela uma acitha kulimala. Nsele uchubeka nekwethula bufakazi embi kwenkantolo lephakeme yaseMgungundlovu lephenya ngekushona kwaLuthuli.
Sikhulu lesetulu salabacwaninga tidvumbu Sibusiso Nsele uyingcenye yetati letetelekelela kuloliphenyo kanye nelihhovisi lemshushisi mayelana nekushona kwaLuthuli. Nsele uthi sibhedlela saseStenga lapho ufunyiselwa khona Luthuli ngemva kwekulimala sasingakakulungeli kwelapha sigulane lesinelihlobo lwekulimala lolufana nelwaLuthuli.
In circumstances when one has to perform an examination of where there is much more interest and a person of such stature, you've got to draw or employ the best resources you have to perform that task.
Zewabuta ukuthi kwendiwa yini ukuthi Luthuli angendluliselwa eKing Edward lekusibhedlela lebesingakwati kwengamela lesimo.
Tisebendi te Barberton Mines eMpumalanga tikhala letimatfonsi ngekudendwa emisebentini. IPan African Resources lephethe letimayini tende tisebendi tetimayini letifaka ekhathi Fairview, Sheba, New Concert ngelisonto. Lenkampani ithi seyehluleka kukhokhela tindleko.
Tisebendi titsangele ngekudendwa kwato. Tingcenye yatingemakhulu amabili nemashumi lamane nakune letidendwe yiBarberton Mines. Tithi lolu hlelo alinetisi futhi alinabulungiswa.
Ngeke futhi ungitshele ukuthi wena uyangicosha ngina 13 years lapha eBarberton Mines uthi udonginiketa 21,422 rand. Ngiyowendani ngimncane so.
Si affected kakhulu sibasebenzi beBarberton Mine. Because inyalo imindeni yethu njengoba sekuphume thina emsebenzini sekude manje lekufanele nabo badle khona.
Ukuzivisa abhlungu thina nyalo uthi labo bani labo ke lebaqashwe emuva basele. Kukhishwa thina lesifike sinesikhathi lapha labantu lebasele babalanza ngemabhasi le ku Eastern Cape.
Ekuqaleni beyifuna kudenda tisebenzi letingemakhulu la imfica kwathi ngemva kwecocisana netinyonyane nalabanye labatsinzekayo lehlalelo nane labangamashumi lamathathu nakuthathu bathethe ingcenye yedlelanivongene labo kwathi labangamakhulu amabili nakubili bafakwa etikhundleni letahlukahlukene. Inyonyane ikhathatekile njengoba lokwendeka nje bekucedwa kucashwa tisebenzi letingemakhulu amathathu eminyakeni lemibili lengcile.
Sifuna ukuyobhikisha ngemhla kwa 23 zika May eDME la siyokukhombisa khona kusasakajabula because le treatment yoba nomthelela lomubi.
Le mayini ithi tindleko tekusebenta tiyabita umkhicito omncane kanti nentengo yeligolide emarket isifakile sandla kulesimo.
This was a joint consensus seeking process and agreed by all stakeholders involved. We have implemented numerous and ongoing interventions to improve productivity and to ensure the sustainability of Barberton Mines for the long term.
Leti sebendi letitendiwe tifuna kuthathela le mayini tinyathelo temthetho.
I see the world through the eyes of a child. The world's wonders mesmerize me, discovering joy in the people where the sun still shines. Itlang Mabone, Mzanzi Africa, rediscovering the sense of wonder. I see all colors see clearly now, the light will shine so bright.
Bakhangisi labahambele iAfrica Travel indaba eThekwini bathi lo mhlangano ube impumelelo lenkulu emkhakheni wetekuvakasha. Le ngcungcuthela isetshenziselwa kukhangisa tekuvakasha eningizimu yeAfrika nemkhicito emaveni angaphandle. Kanti ke ingcikithi yalonyaka ithi ingabathi yeAfrika lenganamkhawulo.
Usuku lwesithathu lokugcina ke namhlanje lweAfrica Travel indaba lapha eThekwini kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi bangaphezulu kwenkulungwane namakhulu amathathu osomabhizinisi abancane abasathuthuka kanjalo nalabo asebevelele abahlangene ke lapha ukuthi bezobukisa ngempahla abazenzayo kanjalo ke nangama services abawenzayo lapha ezithombeni zakho uzobona ke ama exhibitors abakhona la bebukisa ngomsebenzi wabo abawenzayo bacubungula ke esingathi benza imassage ke la abantu bayafika bahlale baxoxe kabanzi nabo ukuzwa ngokuthi ke lo msebenzi wabo uhamba kanjani. Laba ke baqhamuka esifundazweni eMpumalanga bazile ke nabo la ukuzokhangisa ngomsebenzi wabo ukuzwa ukuthi ke kuhamba kanjani ke kuleli qophelo. Njengamanje sizothatha leli thuba ukwamukela omunye esingathi ke osomabhizinisi abasathuthuka abakhona la exhibition center ukuzwa ukuthi lo msebenzi weAfrica Travel indaba uhambe kanjani kulonyaka. Siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Okay, ngiphinde futhi ngibingelele bhuti wami, igama lami nguZanele wakashabalala from eMtubatuba kaMsane, ngila ukurepresenta iMtuba St Lucia City okuyi organization ye tourism. Eqinisweni la ngempela sijabule kakhulu njengosomabhizinisi abasafufusa. Before mahlale sizwa ngeindaba besinento ukuthi nje into enkulu yabantu abakhulu.
Basolwa lababili kulabathathu lababoshwe kuleli viki labathinteke kunyamalalen kwensatheli Sibusiso Ndlovu nemlingani wayo Zodwa Mdluli bavele enkantolo yamanje kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga lomuhla. Labasolwa baboshwa ngalwesibili lapho bebabhace khona eNokaneng edude naseRust Defender eLimpopo. Sekuboshwe basolwa labasiphohlongo ke nasebaphelele kuleli cala.
Labasolwa baboshwa ngasikhathi emaphoyisa ahlasela indzawo lebebabhace kuyo eNokaneng futhi naseRest Defender lesonzelene nendzawo lapho kwatfolakala khona titfumbu lekukholelwa ukuthi taleti Tanzania. Laba lababili babukene nemacala lamabili ekutfumba. Kanti ke bagcinwe esitokisini njengoba batawuphindze bavele enkantolo ngemsombuluko nalabo labasolwa nabo lababili kwentela kufaka sicelo sebameli.
Amaphoyisa ahambe afika la ukuthi kuboshwa abantu abaningi kangaka. Ngeke futhi kusimangaze uma kukhona abanye abazoboshwa nabo ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi baningi abantu abathintekayo kuyo yonke lento. Kodwa siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenza ngamandla, basebenza futhi ngesivinini esiphezulu njengoba sibona abantu bayaboshwa abanye futhi bavele enkantolo.
Leti tfumbu lekukholelwa ukuthi talenzatheli nemlingani wayo titfolakale ngemva kwetinyanga letimbili lalababili banyamalele. Luyachubeka ke luhlolo lwelifoto lwetitfumbu netinini.
Kuletinye ke uma sibuye titolo. Indvuna yetempilo Aaron Mtsaledi itichithile imibiko lethi lubukene nenkinga luhlelo lwe-HIV and AIDS kuleli. Wemgelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati. Uma usanza ngena ukhethe kahle, hlala nathi.
I see the world through the eyes of a child. The world's wonders mesmerize me. Discovered in joy in the people where the sun still shines. Itlang mabonen, Mzansi Africa. I discover soaring with a sense of wonder. I see all colors, even those beyond the rainbow. I can see clearly now, the light will shine so bright.
Indvuna yetempilo Aaron Mtswaledi ichithile imibiko lethi lubukane nenkinga luhlelo lwe-HIV and AIDS kuleli. Ikhuluma nebetindzaba ePitoli lomuhla ithite litiko layo lisaxoxisana nebatshali timali kuvala sikhebesi lesivulwe kungatholi imali eMelika. INingizimu Afrika ichitha imali lelinganiselwa ku-46.8 billion wemarandi elihlelweni le-HIV and AIDS bese 7.9 billion wemarandi bophuma kuPEPFAR.
It is inconceivable that out of 46.8 billion rand spent by the country on HIV/AIDS program, the withdrawal of 7.9 billion by President Trump will immediately lead to a collapse of the entire program. We believe it's inconceivable. Ladies and gentlemen, we must put it categorically clear that under no circumstances will we allow this massive work performed over a period of more than a decade and a half to collapse and go up in smoke because President Trump has decided to do what he has done.
Sikubutile ke ukuthi kutaltsikameta kangakanani live kungatholi le mali eMelika njengoba lihambe embili ngelinani lelisetulu lebantfu labaphila neligciwane le-HIV. Uphendvule ngalendlela.
Umengameli wethu wathi akanankinga yena neMelika noma ingangasichasa lokho ke okukhomba ukuthi kuneplan azolenza umengameli wethu. Ngiyathembela nje ke kuloko mina
ungafumani le mali yenxaso yemachiza HIV eMelika uzasithana kakhulu nohulumende wele fanele baguqule ibhaji ngoku abantu bangengoba lapha eMzantsi Afrika nebabhatale for umtholampilo like amachiza afana ne-HIV ne-TB kwaye yonke into ziphele eclinic zamahala ngoba nathi ngoku sitsala kanzima.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzothikameza kakhulu izwe lethu uma ngabe lingasatholakali uxhaso lolu ebeluvela eMelika ngoba ngempela asikakwazi phela ukuzenzela futhi ngicabanga ukuthi baningi abantu abazoba nenkinga.
Ungayitholi imali kwi-South Africa e-America kuzothikameza kakhulu i-South Africa lokho ngobani asikwazi ukuyimela siqalele izinto zethu sincike kwamanye amazwe.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli i-SABC eteyethweswa kutiphendvulela ngawo. Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi linyukile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Ayaqhubeka nekungena emavendvuthuto omhlaba wonke kulandzela kushona kwalobe kangumdlali wema-Springboks Cornal Hendricks. Hendricks ushone ngemva kwekumelwa inhlitiyo itolo ebusuku kanti bekaneminyaka lenge-37.
Bathanzi berugby nelicembu leBulls bakhungetfwe lifu lelimnyama ngekushona kwaConral Hendricks. Hendricks wadlala umdlalo wokuqala weTest nga-2014 wadlala nasecenjini lesive ema-Springboks njengoba badlala imidlalo eli-12 wavalela ama-tries lasihlanu namanye amacembu lawo wadlalele afake ekhathi iPoland, iCheetahs, ema-Stormers neBlitzboks wabe sewutfolakala nesifo senhlitiyo wase uthatha umhlala phansi kwathi emva kweminyaka lemithathu wabuya futhi kutewudlala.
It's very hard for anybody to focus at this stage with the news only breaking this morning, so I think we'll regroup and take it again tomorrow. I think it makes you realize again there's bigger things than rugby. It's just a sport. Rugby is a game to be enjoyed by all, and to provide entertainment on a weekend for everybody. And I think Cornwall always showed that on the field. I mean, he had some great performances, not just for us, for the Springboks, Blitzboks, Boland, Cheetahs, but always with a smile on his face.
Mengameli we South African Rugby Mark Alexander wendlulise Marvin Vuduto waphinda wavakalisa ukuthi Hendricks utawukhunjulwa njalo ngokunikela ku rugby.
Hayike asesithi hulu kuhle sijike embombela sive ukuthi Sibusiso Mahlalela usiphathele tipi kuleti hamba embili kuleti phuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibusiso
lishonile mlingana ke sivuselana ngolisimba lakho khona ke egoli lishonela kumbukele kuzoba deswadi ekhaya namuhla ke ehlelweni sipheseke ke inzalo lesisa ke 70 semayene ebhabdile lidwe ke emsebenzini njengoba ke tikhala le smartphone sithi senalo ke ehlela ukuthi zilida emsebenzini alimange lihanjiswe kahle nakancane ngetulu kwaloko sinenhlangano ematekisi santhakho kule live njengoba ke iyayicitha na ke imbiko lesabelethu kulento echumana ukuthi kunebashayeli bematekisi labahamba ke bamisela bona balayisha abagibeli ngetimoto lelincane babakhiphise imali emigwaqeni yakule live sinayo ke lenhlangano kuteke sitawukhuluma kabande nganalo litsaba siboleke indlebe emlalini lo ngo6 ke ku7 kumsakazo lokwala FM kulihlelo lediphuma embedeni akwanze emlingani Nzamba Malehle.
Ngibonge Sibuti kuca lapho ke talomuhla tikhona telulwimi lwesiXhosa nakubumbana insimbi esikhombisa kanzi bakhona nebalingani bethu besindebele kusasa nesimo selitulu sikhona nantoza ke Mathebula ngemva kwetitolo nisale kahle.
Ngethela shona ngena nzabatalo kanjalo ngethela shona nginaso simo selitulo kanze ke masibuka sithombe sethu kusihla namuhla likhombisa ke kubalela mabuka ke lathi ifunza ikakhulukazi etshona ngayilive ngola lomuhle kanze ke mayembumana live likhombisa ke ngibhonya ngemafi ikakhulukazi kusihla namuhla ngola lomuhle kanze ke naselangeni lakusasa kusachubeka ke ngibhonya ngemafi mabuya ikakhulukazi tifunza letsembumonanga njengoba khona nemathuba emvula lapha kuye ke la 3% kanjalo nenkungu lokhombisa ke kukasa phasi kanze ke mayentshona nakapa ngola lomuhle ngahle ke kucubuka umlilo mabuya ikakhulukazi esifunzene ke la iWestern Cape ngenxa yekushisa lokhona leto nzalo leto kanze ke masibuka ngikushisa ukuthi semenjani elangeni lakusasa masibuka ke lasifunza iGauteng ePretoria hlelo ku21 ilipholile langa ku Johannesburg lapha ku20 mabuka Carletonville lihlelo lapha kuye ke la 22 kanze ke sifunza iLimpopo nzalo lefana nabo liphalale lihlelo ku24 lipholile leto nzalo leto ke lifuthumele musina nanga liphalaburu ngaye la 26 kanze ke bheka sifoto lihlelo lapha ku25 kanze ke sifunza iMpumalanga nzalo lefana ke la nabo Middelburg lapha ku22 kanze ke mabuka buCarolina lapha ku23 naseMbombela 28 lapha ke sikhukhuza njengoba lifuthumela kanze ke lipholile Standerton ngaye ke la 21 sifunza kwaZulu Natal nzalo lefana nabo Mnambithi lihlelo ku24 nangale kubo Fryhead mabuka ke la eDurban uLundi lapha ku25 nase Kokstad ngaye 22 lipholile leto nzalo leto kanze ke Eastern Cape mabuka boKomani 26 emthatha 27 East London nakhona lipholile leto nzalo leto kuyashisa icebehana nasemakhanda ngaye ke la 31 kanze ke sifunza iWestern Cape ngola lomuhle mabuka nzalo lefana nabo Beaufort West likhombisa ke kufuthumala iGeorge kuyashisa mabuka ke eCape Town lapha ku25 35 eFredendal ngaye ke la nobe ke kuyashisa leto nzalo leto kanze ke eNorthern Cape Appington lihlelo ku27 eSpringbok 29 kufuthumela leto nzalo leto kuyabanza ke Sena Sutherland kanze ke Customer Dina liyabe lapha ku24 kanze ke masibuka ke iFree State inzawo lefana ke lana eBothaville likhombisa ke la kufuthumala kanze ke eVelcom nakhona lithenzawo ke la likhombisa ke kuphola khona kanze ke eNorthwest tinzawo lefana nabo Ottosdal boMahikeng lihlelo ku22 mabuke eTosca lihlelo ku24 lipholile leto nzawo leto ngoba lo muhle angisho ngesikungako bengikuphathele kona busuku abube ngilobuhle